Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well, and welcome back to another new build home transformation makeover, this time focusing on our patio area. Now if you've seen any of my older new build transformation videos in our previous home, then you'll know we love a pergola and a patio area, and so this is something we definitely wanted to recreate in our new home. We have two sets of French doors leading out into the back garden, and the one set we use all the time and the other we just open now and again. So this side made the most sense to position a new pergola. The patio itself laid all the way across the French doors, however it wasn't very wide going into the garden, and so we decided to extend this whole area to give us lots of space. We firstly decided to purchase a metal pergola, this time with a gorgeous fabric ceiling cover that pulls right across for shade. Our previous one in the old home was made from scratch from wood, and this was more open. So this new pergola I spoke about last year, which we picked up from B&Q, and I believe they still have this particular one this year. I will have all of the information down in the description bar of everything that we used and all of the decor. And now we had the pergola, we knew the size we could extend our patio area out to, which led us on to digging out this section ready for the hardcore and then new paving slabs to be laid on top. We found the paving slabs to match the original ones in Wickes, which Ben and my father-in-law laid in a very specific pattern, so they merged in with the original ones as well. I also forgot to mention there was a step right below the French doors which we took up to give us more space. This was quite a huge step, so we actually ended up using the two paving slabs from the step to incorporate into the new section, which was perfect. Now I have to mention we are still waiting on this special brush and grout to finish off the newly laid slabs, and our plan is to extend these all the way around to the gym area, but for now we just wanted to focus on just getting this dining section done. So after everything had dried out, we had to elevate the pergola slightly at the back to enable us to open the French doors if we wanted. I just raised it slightly with some wood, which worked out perfectly, and then these will eventually be painted black also so they blend in. Then Ben and his dad drilled the frame down into the tiles to secure it all, and now it was time for me to do my favourite part I had been looking forward to the most, and that is decorating this area. We wanted to use this space as somewhere we could eat dinner, work from, and sit and relax into the evenings. We picked up this gorgeous huge dining table and chairs from Homebase, which again I have seen back in stock this year. And then I added some cream seat pads for all the seats from B&Q for a comfier feel, as well as some blue and white pattern cushions from John Lewis and Dunelm, just to bring it all together. On the table I added this wicker tray from HomeSense and a mini rose bush as a centerpiece, along with these stunning placemats and napkins from John Lewis. I finally finished the table area with this throw I also found in John Lewis, and then the mat underneath on the floor I believe was from Lidl. I had this in the old house, but I do plan on picking up a bigger one to center this area and just finish it off. We also want to add some horizontal fence paneling on top of the existing fence, and plant wise I've already added some pretty terracotta pots to the space. The bigger one has a lilac tree in it, and the smaller one a blue hydrangea, which is one of my favorite flowers. And that is it guys. I really hope you enjoyed this transformation as much as we did doing it. There is still, like I said, some bits we need to add to this space. However, I will keep you updated on them in future videos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.